Alright, so we're in 12.1, number patterns. Put your name on the paper. This is version 2, Go Mad, volume 2, page 413. So this says use the rule to write numbers in the pattern. So what you have to do here is check out the rule. We have a rule here. It says subtract 5 and the first term is 50. So, and they want you to use the rule to write the rest of them. So I'll do this in blue so you can see it a little bit better. So 50. So subtract 5. So they're saying from here to here, you want to be minus 5. So we're saying that would be 45. This would be 40. Because again, we're subtracting 5. 35. 30. Right? Each time you take 5 away from the number in that space. Pretty simple there. Moving on to number 2. It's multiplied by 3. And you start with that 2. So we started with 2. Now let's go back to my blue. From here to here, you got multiply by, 3, not 2. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So you have to be careful here. You don't just increase based on addition. So you have to say times 3 again. Don't get sucked into the addition trap. So 3 times 2 is 18. Then we move on. 18 times 3 is what we're going to then get. Some of us may have to work that out. So 18 times 3, what is that going to give us? Let's go back. Do that up here. 18 times 3. 3, so that's 54. And 54 times 3. $162. Those two patterns there. So next we want to use the rule to write the numbers in the pattern, describe another pattern in the numbers. So they want us to skip count by 4. So skip count by 4. And first term is 8. And I guess we could start circling those too. So what we're going to do here, skip count is also adding that number to where you just left off from. So if we're talking here, you can also go on top if you don't have room on the bottom. So plus 4, 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 4 is what? 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. And 20 plus 4 is 24. And it says it wants us to count or understand or describe, is what it says, another pattern of another. What I will say is, I noticed that they're all multiples of 4. also you can divide them all by 4. There you go. In this section right here, it says rule add 3. Add 3. And the first term is 2. So this means plus 3. And we start with 2. See where we at here. So again, we can go on top. This is plus 3, which would be 5. This would be plus 3. This would be 8. Plus 3. 11, right? Plus 3. 14. Plus 3. 17. I'm still saying describe it in another way. What do you notice? I notice that it goes even, odd, even, odd. Works out for me. Alright. I'm gonna stop there, and the next one is I'm gonna work in the next video.